How to delete incognito history on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can delete incognito history on Android. So in order to delete incognito history on Android, first of all, what you need to do is open up a browser and make sure that you're not in an incognito mode. You need to disable it and then head back to the normal Google Chrome. After that, on the URL box, type in Chrome is to slash, you'll need to give 2 slash, that is slanting slash net dash internal slash hashtag DNS. Now this particular link is very hard to find it, so I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. After you type in this particular link, you can see there is this kind of interface. Now you'll need to first of all select DNS from the left hand side bar. After that, you can see in the bottom right there is host resolve. Click on clear host tab, which is like at the bottom. Now exit this particular, head back to your normal Google Chrome. So in this way you can delete incognito history on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.